Hello, second grade. Happy testing day. Right now, I want you, if you haven't already, to get your math tests out. And it should be test 25, should be at the top. And I have to do the oral part with you, so get your pencils ready. And we're just going to go ahead and begin. And then I will actually go through some of the other sections of the test as a little review since we haven't been here for a while. Okay, so number 1A is 7 plus 5. And I'm not going to say it 3 times because you can rewind the video if you didn't hear me, okay? 1B is 17 minus 4. C, I have to look, 16 minus 9. D, 8 plus 8. E is 11 minus 9 plus 8. That's 11 minus 9 plus 8. And F is 6 plus 7 minus 5. And then now we're going to go to section 2 of your test. And your test should look like this. Okay, make sure it looks like this. Make sure you have your name on it. So section 2, I'm going to go A, B, C, D. Okay, and you're going to color in the circle of the number that I say. Okay? So 2A is 4 1/4. 4 1/4. B, $110 and 1 cent. $110 and 1 cent. C is 23,020. 23,020. And D, that's a Roman numeral, remember those, is 4. So you're going to circle in the Roman numeral that is 4. Okay, so put your pencils down for a second, and I want to review the rest of the test. So on section 3, if you can see that, in section 3, see there's multiplication and division. And I just want to review with you how we do the division with the boxes. Okay, so your first question looks like this. Okay, so it goes 120 divided by 10. And then you would write your answer on the top, just like that. Okay? So it actually looks like if we were to write it out, it's the same as this. Okay? So remember, 120 divided by 10, and you write your answer on the top of the box. Okay? And then for section 4, it says color to show the fractions. So you have to look at the fraction at the bottom, and you can use your pencil to color. You don't have to get a crayon or anything. And just color in what that fraction is telling us to color in. Okay? Remember, the bottom number is how many pieces, and the top number represents how many to color in. Okay? If you flip your paper over, there's you're finding the, make sure you double check. Remember, the first step is to make sure if it's minus or plus, subtraction or addition. Now there's no boxes here, so it's not going to tell you whether or not you have to carry or to borrow. Okay, so do your best on that. I know it's been a while since we've done that. And if I see that a lot of people are getting this section wrong, then I will review it more next week, okay? And then Number 6 says, mark the circle under the shapes that are divided into thirds. And remember, they need to be equally divided, okay? Or else they're not thirds. Okay. And then number 7 says, Max found 9 shells at the beach. He gave his sister 1/3 of them. How many shells did Max give his sister? So you have to write the answer there. You can circle how many shells also. The shells are there to help you. And remember, we did this before the break. I had a bunch of your friends standing up in the front of the room, and we had to divide them into thirds. So hopefully you remember how to do that. If not, just do your best, and this may be something I need to review again. Okay? And also, in your packet this week, I sent home the speed drill. You do not have to do the speed drill. You can do it if you want, just for fun. You don't even have to time yourself. If you just want to, work on your math, then you can go ahead and do that. Or if you just want to color the front, you can go ahead and do that too. But that is not, you don't have to do that. That's just extra work. So go ahead and you may pick up your pencil and start the rest of the test, and hopefully your parents are there watching you do this test to make sure, that you're not asking your big brother or big sister what the answers are. So do your best, and I will get your test next week. Okay, take care. Bye.